Hello, I am Petter, a sales engineer at Domino. Today, I will walk you through Domino's new capability to deploy models to Amazon SageMaker. This capability simplifies model deployment while ensuring governance and operational efficiency across the entire model lifecycle. Domino significantly reduces operational overhead and accelerates the transition from development to production on Amazon SageMaker by automating model packaging, transfer, and scaling within CI/CD workflows. Domino provides comprehensive model lineage and seamlessly tracks models, creating a unified and traceable system of records for robust governance. Furthermore, Domino enables data scientists to utilize SageMaker features such as autoscaling and streaming, facilitating dynamic scaling based on real-time demand. This comprehensive approach allows data scientists to innovate freely while IT and business leaders maintain control, resulting in faster time to value. Let's see how easily data scientists can deploy models to SageMaker endpoints. Deploying models to SageMaker endpoints is seamless for data scientists. You can create an endpoint from within Domino. First, configure a name, then select the model from Domino's model registry. Choose a deployment target and AWS instance type to run the endpoint from the options configured by the Domino administrator. Next, critical features like autoscaling and streaming can be configured for scalable, reliable inference. Finally, set the endpoint visibility. Domino sets up all the required AWS resources and creates a SageMaker endpoint hosting the model for inference. Once deployed, all endpoints can be viewed and managed centrally in Domino, ensuring full control over the model lifecycle. You can also navigate to the model card to examine lineage and review model information. Finally, test the endpoint. Grab the provided code snippet and run it to see if everything works smoothly and responds as expected. In summary, Domino automates the entire model deployment process, from packaging and transfer to deployment on SageMaker. It ensures centralized governance and tracking, even for models deployed externally, preserving lineage and reproducibility. Plus, by leveraging built-in features like autoscaling and streaming, Domino helps teams optimize resource use and scale AI initiatives efficiently. Want to learn more? Contact us for a personalized demo and discover how you can take AI and ML projects to production faster using Domino's integration with Amazon SageMaker.